A lot of the information these days that we're capturing in clinical trials is already available to a certain percentage, and that percentage, I think, is increasing over time in most of these EMR systems. Moving forward, what we will see is that the way we conduct clinical research today and the data we capture there will merge with the way we capture data in the EMR system.
A number of folks are using a number of sources from a number of EHR and EMR platforms. Certainly at ICON, we've partnered with IBM Watson. That gives us the access to 1 million lives of patient data, but what it allows us to be is to be much more data-driven. And if we think about this at a study level, when there tends to be, sometimes severe recruitment challenges, we then can be smart about identifying patient cohorts early on and being much more targeted in finding the best solutions and getting enrollment back on track.
We also have a better idea now where these patients are, should allow us to quicker enroll patients into clinical trials and get the right patients into the right clinical trial, which means it has the potential to speed up the whole process of drug development, which means it gets the drugs quicker to patients.
It's impacting traditional R&D really because the pressures are mounting in the industry, and it's really trying to find smarter ways to run R&D.
We see that in more and more interest in late-phase studies that are real-world evidence trials. For example, we do studies where we go chart reviews, where we do retrospective analysis of data that's already available in the EMR systems. And I think these things will basically progress and will gain more momentum than they already have. What kind of systems do we need to have in place to manage the data, to analyze the data, and get meaningful information out of that out of the data, basically?